Hey guys, I'm back with another recipe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious buttery shrimp scampi. As always, the full recipe and exact measurements will be listed in the description box below. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our pasta. We are going to add a couple of cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. We are also going to season this water generously with some salt. Follow the cooking instructions on the back of the box of noodles. Just make sure to remember to stir occasionally so your noodles don't stick together. Now that those noodles are done, go ahead and grab about a cup of that pasta water and set it aside for later. Drain your noodles, add about 2 tablespoons of butter, mix it around and get those noodles nice and coated so that they don't stick together while we prepare the rest of this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and prep all of our herbs and vegetables for the sauce. Here I have a large shallot, about 6 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, and a whole pack of basil. So on medium-low heat, we are going to go ahead and throw in about a half a stick of butter. As you can see, when I put my butter in my pot, it did start to turn brown, so my eye was on a little bit too high. Off camera, I did go ahead, reduce that heat to low, and then just go ahead and add your fresh herbs. Go ahead and add the parsley, garlic, shallot, and basil. So now we're going to go ahead and add about a pound of shrimp. We are going to season them with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and then we're also going to juice 1 whole lemon. Once the shrimp is done, we're going to remove them from our sauce and set them aside for later. To finish off our sauce, we're going to add a cup of that pasta water back into the pot, and then we are also going to shred about 1.5 ounces of Parmesan Romano cheese and stir until fully absorbed. Alright, you guys, so we are going to add our noodles back into this sauce. We are going to make sure that we toss that around so that every strand of noodle gets some of this good buttery garlicky sauce. And then we're going to serve it up and plate it. I garnished mine with some more cheese and lemon zest, and enjoy.